Okay, next we have gauge. What is gauge? Gauge is simply is used to display numeric values, like displaying the maximum and minimum figures. So choose a country, choose the country basis layer. So here is a gauge. Let's make a scenario. For example, out of 500 okay, yeah, that's okay. Out of 500,000 figures or death cases, for example, how many countries do we have? For example, suppose 200 countries. Okay, totally we have 192 countries, the data for that. Okay, here we say that from 200 countries, out of 500,000 figures or dead figures, so what is the minimum or what is the maximum value that we have? Okay, simply we chose that minimum. Yeah, minimum what? Minimum what value do you want to be displayed? The minimum value of what? Okay, we simply chose death. So here we have 0. Means there are some cases, there are some countries that there is no death events there. So what about maximum? Yeah, for maximum we have. So the maximum death cases we have for a country, and its value is 456,000.9. That's it. You can change the style of your gauge if you want. Go to the gauge. You can change it from progress to meter. The text is shape. So you can change it from horseshoe to half donut. Here we go. And as well as you can change the style, the text, and the color of your gauge simply by clicking here. Change, for example, the color, the text value color. Yeah, this color is nice. And change the color for that text, and as well as regarding the gauge, you can put this color, or the white is nice, I think. And regarding to the pointer, you can change the color, its color to this one, or simply white is nice. Okay, this is the maximum dead events that we have in our data. Okay, that's nice if we put a label here that indicates the maximum dead figure, for example. Make it bold, center. Let's bring it to our dashboard. Here we go. So we can put it here. Yep. The same. You can create another gauge to display, for example, the maximum or minimum figures. For example, active figure or maximum recovered figures, these kind of stuff. Simply save it.